Hi, my name is Audrey Morris, and I would like to introduce to you CHEM for 62 Green Chemistry 2020. We live in a peculiar time. We live in 2020. Just last year, there was 500,000 people striking in Montreal to call for action for climate change. Greta Thunberg was in Montreal and spoke with Prime Minister Justin Trudeau about this. Climate change is upon us. As you know, there are regions of the world where there's increasing levels of CO2, and this is causing devastation. Wildfires, tornadoes, hurricanes, and it's only the beginning. Right now, we have to deal with COVID, and as you know, this is leading to even more problems, including plastic pollution. We see that because of this pandemics, we're using even more single-use plastic, and we have more pollution as a result. And there is much more. You can think of many things that are dear to your heart, where we see that the way we manage the world, the way we manage our health, is not sustainable. At the core of this, there is one thing, one common theme. This is chemistry. All of these questions are centered around the question of molecules and materials. If we want to make a change, we need to understand the chemistry underlying these problems. Whether you think about CO2, whether you think about heavy metals, whether you think about polymers, or whether you think about fertilizers like ammonium nitrate or zeolites that can be used in so many applications. What's core to chemistry is chemical reaction, and this is a very powerful way to think about this problem. In chemistry, we take stuff, feedstock, we turn into product, and we use this, and to do this, we use catalysts and solvents and energy. But just looking at this is not sufficient. You need to put chemistry into its context, so its relationship to the rest of the world. And this is exactly what we're going to do during this course. This course is divided into modules where we're going to talk about metrics and assessment. This is essentially putting a number of these on these green arrows. And then we're going to talk about medium and energy, because this is a very powerful place to make chemistry more sustainable, as well as the catalyst. And we're going to talk about the sourcing of feedstock, as well as where the products are going to go after life. This will allow us to cover a number of topics, and we'll do that through a unique teaching delivery due to the remote conditions that we're on. We're going to have engaging short videos that are going to be released on a weekly basis and readings for you to do. We're going to have short Zoom video sessions with short lecturing and discussions. We're going to have awesome guest lecturers that are going to talk about metrics, toxicology, biomass, and much more. And we're going to have, for the students, a unique experience with writing reviews, peer reviewing articles amongst yourself, and at the end, presentation on a wide array of topics. With this, we're going to cover a lot of topics such as biomass, CO2 transformation, toxicology, plastics, and much more. So I would like to encourage you to register to CHEM 462 Green Chemistry, and I'm going to be delighted to teach you this semester with TA Cameron Lennox. Thank you very much for your attention.